And we're back and it's great to see you again. So today I am needing to put out a new video because I've missed you guys, but I want to share with you a trick that I hope will help you. Now, it is something that, as a balloon twister, obviously you've got a lot of muscle memory, you get used to how much air you need to put in a balloon, all those good things that help us to get faster and be more confident in the work that we do. Sometimes we overinflate a balloon or maybe underinflate it, and then we have to try and fix that miscalculations. It happens to me even with the designs that I've created, where sometimes I just put in too much air. And I do have the tendency to maybe want to start again, but if I've got a big long line, I don't want to start again. So this is a tip to maybe help you out. So let's say I'm doing the bunny rabbit design. If you haven't seen the bunny rabbit design, I'm going to link it up here for you. So I could be really happy with how it's tracking. And I guess at this point, and I realize I'm going to run out of balloon. I don't have enough to do the twisting for the legs, let alone 2 sets of them. So my trick, my suggestion to you, simplify and survive. So I was able to finish my design instead of panic and go, I need to start again. Have you been there before? Leave me a comment if that happens to you a lot, especially if you're starting out learning, you know, it's going to happen. But this is, I'll quickly do how it's meant to look so that you know exactly what I'm talking about. So with this version, you can see that the legs are 2 distinct separate pieces. And here we're just going with the classic loop twist like you might do with the 3-loop balloon dog. But looking at them side by side, they're still adorable, they're still neat. So I encourage you, before you think all is lost with your balloon design, can you just simplify part of it and get to where you need to be to finish the design instead of going, I need to start again. Because starting again is never fun. Like starting recording again on YouTube. But I am hoping to bring you more content, and I am still excited as ever about attending ACE, the Austin Children Entertainers Convention in November. I really hope I get to meet you there. In fact, you know, I bought this cute little mug today from the Good Guys to fit in my new car that I got recently. And I want to put stickers on it, I decided, because it's hand wash only. I have 2 very beautiful stickers that are going to start my collection. My favorite is Clown and one of my best friends in the whole wide world. And Miss Pookie, the wonderfully amazing, talented balloon twister I think we all know and love, who I am so excited to be teaching with alongside in Texas. Sorry. Anyway, so I'm going to put these stickers on this cup. It's hand wash only, so I'm not going to throw it in the dishwasher. I'm going to need to treat it with the best possible care that I can, but I want to put stickers of other balloon artists and entertainers all over this cup so I can have a piece of that joy with me whenever I use it. So I invite you, if you want to, it's totally up to you. I'm going to leave a mailing link below so you can send me in any stickers that you have. I'd love to see ones of you and your logo, but if not, that's fine. If you've got another kind of business logo, we're going to start prettying my cup up and adding them on there. Yes, I'm a bit worried about how paper stickers might go, but this cup was $25, not too bad. I will, you know, see how I go. Am I worried people will mistake me for Hyper the Clown or the amazing Miss Pookie? Of course. But once I have the cup virtually covered in stickers, I mean, I think it's going to look amazing, and I would love you to put your contribution toward it. Or maybe I'll even take it with me to ACE if I can. Let's see how my luggage allowance goes. But then I can stick them on if I get to meet you in person. So I'm going to link below the ACE website so you can also see the other amazing balloon artists and body artists and artists all-round superstars who are available, who are going to be there, and I'm so looking forward to being alongside. Like, oh, how cool does my cup look already? Don't worry, I know the answer. Super duper cool. Bloody oath. I mean, anyway, I have so much more to update you on, but let's save that for another video. August and July have been hectic, and it has been great to finally get the chance to say I'm slowing down, although I just did a 2-hour outdoor job and it was hot, and I'm glad to be home. So glad. But yeah, I just really missed you guys. Had to get this video up. So as always, I want to say thank you for helping me to put a positive twist into your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and hopefully at ACE.